Hi, InnovateEDU PLN. My name's Georgina Dean, and I'm really excited to be joining you all the way from England in the UK. It will be my first time visiting South Africa. Absolutely gorgeous scenery that I've seen online, so I can't wait to visit in person and, of course, join you all at the conference to learn together. I'm currently working as Director of Digital Strategy for a place that I call Hogwarts because it's been around for so long and it's a magical journey that I'm on. It's an independent boarding school here in England in the UK, and I'm basically supporting the school with their digital transformation. I work with administrators, operational teams, but also classroom teachers and heads of department to support them in meaningfully using pedagogical technology across their curriculum. So a really exciting journey that I'm on. And I'm really excited to be joining you all to share a little bit about some of the magical things that I do here as well. So the first session that I will be joining you for is called Retrieval Practice with a Creative Twist, the why behind sketchnoting. So if it's your first time that you're sort of thinking about or have even heard about sketchnoting, it's a really unique and creative way to practice retrieval practice. And so thinking about how we learn and how we demonstrate our skills and how we demonstrate how we're learning, not just the why or the what, but thinking about the strategies we're applying. And that can be done through a strategy called sketchnoting. So I'm really, really excited to have been invited to come and share with you all about that. So we'll take a look from different lenses, audio, video, practical, hands-on, and you'll be able to take creative risks to spark your curiosity and really think about the images and the visual vocabulary, because learning, as you all know already, is all about how we connect into our learning experiences. So sketchnoting is always about accessing that vocabulary that you're using across your learning journey. So really looking forward to that one. The next session that I'll be sharing with all of you is called Expressing Learning with Creativity. And it really is thinking about the verb of expressing your learning. So learning obviously happens in many different ways, and expressing learning allows us to really demonstrate how we're learning. Again, not just the why or the what, but expressing yourself, how you are learning through your own personalized learning journey. We use the Adobe Express tool, which actually has a variety of different tools that's free for education. And so we'll be diving into how we can help learners express their learning creatively by telling impactful stories. So storytelling is a key skill that you'll be able to pick up in that session. And we'll be looking at various parts of the Adobe Express platform, like Adobe Page, Adobe Post, and Adobe Video. So looking at some really, really simple ways that you can create some impactful videos, infographics that you and your students can create, both to help you in the classroom, to support your learners, but also really just flipping it and allowing them in the driver's seat so that they can sort of own their own learning and tell those stories creatively. The next session is actually a sketchnoting masterclass for educators. So if you really enjoyed the first session, which is usually a really big hit, then you'll definitely will not want to miss the masterclass. So the masterclass, we're going to be diving into really more technical skills of how you want to think about creating some of your sketch notes and really the different pieces and elements that make up a sketch note. Learning is really about creating, and it's really a collaborative hands-on session. So you'll be able to learn while practicing and putting creativity into direct practice. You'll be able to walk away with a sketch note that you'll be able to share with your students and fellow educators. So I hope you'll all join me. I'm really excited to meet you all. If you'd like to connect with me ahead of the conference to sort of follow some of the things that I do with sketchnoting, feel free to reach out to me on Twitter at TechieLeaderEDU, and I'm on Instagram as well at RedefineEd. So I look forward to meeting you all in just a few months, and until then, stay creative.